The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Menteri ke Sarkar Perdi wapai ke donar ujuai Raditya Scindia dailang Menteri rang ba ke Meghalaya ukon rat ke sangma ane debok muyurim gi yagi kreh Wyrta bagi kam unke suburi wachongdor aspa le le klur tam iwara kerchan paisa ke Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region donor ke Sarkar India hapa ke PM Divine Scheme. Kini ke kreh man gini benta ke Sora Experiential and Cultural Center ichna pen miat digi tau em ke chai nok kelikai ipen bahaban miat de Mouse Mai Eco Park ipen bahai ke Road Wa Shela ke chai nong Scindia ke Wa Clear Canyon Viewpoint ke krem Mouse Mai ke krem Arwa wa gi tau em ke chai wa ke ba Scindia hawa klam do ong Lada kwah pio yo ye bneiñ wan cha Meghalaya de khana yo sia gil o chakam rau hai po wide baru step wa khai thiau ha thaw sa ha silong ne de era ula yo konrad war wan cho e ga baru hadu opra go Delhi yo do wa pen he ke Umrah Airport yo ye gi ling sun wa he wo her he war jubab yo wala da penyo ye thaw o e ga paisa yo chna lang ba ga Civil Aviation Ministry yo pen jan ye ka parthai cha Meghalaya kam te do ong wa ki wa bo mo yurim ne to yo pen man ye ka thain so ra kam go wa biang dut yo yang kat wa ki wi thaw parthai ye ga ni ye lang da pen man hakut madan so ra.
So when I stand before you here today, in this mystical land, I really believe, Brother Conrad, that if you really want to see heaven on earth, come to Meghalaya. It is not for no reason that we call this land the abode of the clouds, where on the one hand we see the clouds becoming our companions. This morning when we woke up in our hotel outside Shillong and opened the doors to the balcony, our morning welcome was the mist and the clouds wafting through our room. Where in the world will you get that except in Meghalaya? It is a land where clouds are your companions. It is a land where waterfalls sing lullabies to the cliffs. As in Sora, it is a land where every breeze carries the fragrance of dignity, where every breeze carries the fragrance of faith. Banged on my door and he broke my door down. We need a real loud round of applause for Conrad Sanmai. Now you ask me why I'm asking you to applaud. Because he said, Scindia ji, mujhe nahi malum, I don't know. But I need an extension of my Umrah airport. Right now only small ATRs can land. I want Boeing and I want Airbus. 2,400 meter airport you have to give me and you have to fund it. I said, brother, I stand with you. You give me the land, I will have it funded from Civil Aviation Ministry and we will build the Umrah airport. And I'm glad today that that project is seeing the light of day. Now think about it, one airport, but it will bring the world to Meghalaya. It will bring the world to Shillong. It will bring the world to Sora. It will bring the world to Doki. It will bring the world to Rankilan to see the living root bridges. Let the world partake in the blessings of Mother Nature that Meghalaya has to offer. Prime Minister Narendra Modi